Hi, and welcome to this lecture on comments in C++. In this video, we are going to have a look on how we can add comments in our code and how comments can be useful while writing your code. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Comments are basically the portions of the code that are ignored by the compiler when it's compiling your code, and mostly it's used by programmers to make simple notes of some relevant areas of the code. And one more thing about comments, that comments you can add in one single line, or we can also add a multi-line comment in C++. So basically what this slide says is, for example, when you're writing some piece of code or you're developing some logic while you're coding your program. So what you can do, you can write some comments that compiler will not execute, and it's only for the programmer to understand the logic behind the code. Okay, now let's see the syntax for the comment, how we can add a comment. For example, while writing your code, you can use this double slash and type some text, so that whole particular line will be commented out by the C++ compiler. For example, if you want to write a multi-line comment, the comment in the form of paragraph or that will not fit into one single line. So what you can do, you can do a slash star and end the comment with the star slash. Okay, again I'm telling, slash star star slash, and whatever text that is written between these two and the slash star and the star slash will be a multi-line comment. This will be more clear to you guys when we move on to the practical section, but as of now you just remember the syntax. For one single line comment you have to use double slash, and for multi-line comments you have to use the syntax slash star and star slash. Okay, now let's move to the practical part. Welcome to the practical section of the comments. What we are going to do, firstly I'll demonstrate how you can add a single line comment. For example, we want to tell the programmer that what is the functionality of this line, basically what this line is going to perform in the program. So what we can do, we can bring the cursor here and we can type a double slash, and then what we can write, this line will print hello world on the screen. So what the programmer will understand, that this line will print hello world on the screen, and when you try to run this code, this commented part will be excluded by the compiler, and only this hello world will get printed. You can write anything in the comment like, hi, this is another random comment. You can also write your name, Udemy, or you can write something else maybe. Basically it is going to be ignored by the compiler while executing your code. One more thing that I want to show you is how you can add a multi-line comment. For example, what you can do, you can write slash star and star slash. So here what you can do, in between these two symbols, anything that you will write, that will be considered as a comment. For example, this is a multi-line comment. We can write it for many more lines. So this is a multi-line comment. Basically the compiler will ignore this thing, whatever is written between these two symbols. Again, if you write something here, it won't be considered as the comment. As you can have a look from the color, that whenever you will write a comment, the color will be changed to this light brownish color. Okay, so this thing is about the comment. One more thing that you guys might be thinking, that what is the need for adding comments for each and every line. Adding comments in your code is a good coding practice, and at this stage you might not feel the need to add it, but as we move ahead in this course you will learn many complex programs and design some functions. So if any other programmer or any other coder reads your code, so if you have added the comments, then it will be easier for him or her to understand what your code is doing. Okay, I hope this is clear. Thank you for watching.